Hi everyone! We're back today to finish our story, Lion vs. Rabbit by Alex Leitheimer. First, we're going to go over our story review questions and I'll give you the answers. So what animal was mean to everyone? A bear, a lion, or a snake? It was the lion. What did they do to stop the mean animal? They made an advertisement to find someone, they ignored the mean animal, or they drove the mean animal away. They made an advertisement. Which of these animals did not come before the rabbit? A moose, a tiger, or a llama? A llama. What was the first contest the rabbit won? A cooking contest, a marshmallow eating contest, or a painting contest? A marshmallow eating contest. The lion left after he lost the first contest. True or false? This is false. Remember, he said that it wasn't fair, and so he wanted another competition against the rabbit. Alright, so now we're going to continue our story. No fair, whined Lion. I wasn't warmed up. Remember, they just had a hopping contest. I see, replied Rabbit. Let's have a painting competition. Lion's picture was okay. But Rabbit's picture was much better. No fair, moaned Lion. I was distracted. All right then, we'll have one more competition, Rabbit replied. You can choose what it is. Lion thought hard. Let's race to the top of that mountain. I'm faster and stronger, and a better climber. There is no way I can lose. Lion began running before the starter pistol went off. But after a few minutes, Lion saw Rabbit up ahead of him. Lion sprinted to catch up and overtook Rabbit. But when he climbed up on some rocks, he saw Rabbit ahead of him again. Lion overtook Rabbit once more and raced to the top of the mountain. But as he got close, he saw that Rabbit was already at the top. You're amazing, said Lion when he finally got there. You win. I'll stop bullying the animals. That night, all the animals met at the harbor to give Rabbit his prize and wish him a safe journey home. But to their surprise, there wasn't just one rabbit leaving on the boat. There were 10 rabbits full of marshmallows, 1 brainy rabbit, 6 hopping rabbits, 1 artsy rabbit, and 4 running rabbits. Lion never did find out that the rabbits had tricked him, and from that day on, Lion was never mean to anyone again. May I help you carry your shopping? The end. So now we'll look at our vocabulary for this week. Our first word is distracted. So here, the dog is distracted by something. So he's looking off to the side because it got his attention. Here, this woman is distracted by her computer, so she does not see the two men fighting. So she is distracted. An example, I was distracted leaving the house, so I forgot my bag. The room must be quiet for the test, or the students will be distracted. So if you're distracted, you forget something, or you can't focus on something, or something grabs your attention. Our next word is competition. So here, the two sheep are having a ping pong competition. And here, people are racing, so they're in a swimming competition. An example of competition, the Olympics are a competition between the best athletes. So there are different kinds of competition, but they're all a competition. He is in the dragon boat competition to see whose boat is the fastest. So the dragon boat race is a type of competition. Our next word is sprint. So it's when you run very fast for a short distance. So he's running really fast, but not very far. She can sprint the fastest of all the runners. I can run for a long time, but I am bad at sprinting. So a lot of people can run either far or fast. So some people can run a long time slowly or fast for a short time. So if you can run fast for a short time, then you're good at sprinting. Next word is climb. This person is climbing up the tree, and this person is climbing on the rocks. So they both know how to climb. Only brave people climb mountains without being scared. If you climb to the top of the hill, you can see the whole town. Our next word is prize. So here, you can pull the lever and win a prize, which is lots of coins. Here, this woman has won a prize from the wheel. Example of prize, he got a prize for winning the game. Completing the race was better than a prize. So a prize is just something that you win. Next word is journey. So here the animals are going somewhere. Maybe you can go on a walking journey. Example, traveling to America is a long journey. I packed 2 suitcases for my journey across the country. So a journey is just a long trip. Next word is trick. So this could be like a magic trick. So this girl is doing something, you don't know how she's getting the two hoops apart. That's why it's a trick. Or with this person and this person, the man holding the hoop is being tricked by this man. So the man holding the hoop thinks he's going to jump through the hoop, but he really just pushes him in. So he tricks the other man with the hoop. Example of trick. She played a trick on her friends and laughed at them. Or I surprised him with a fake bug to trick him. Now we'll go on to our story review. What competition did Lion choose? So this was their last competition. Did they drink soda, spell words, or race to the top of the hill? Did the lion win the competition he chose? Yes, he did win, or no, he didn't win. How did the rabbit win against lion? The rabbit had a robot body, the rabbit had superpowers, or there was more than one rabbit. The lion never found out there was more than one rabbit. Is that true or false? What did the lion do after he lost to the rabbit? He continued to be mean to the animals, he was nice to the other animals, or he moved away. So next week, you'll have a big game with questions on all the books we read this semester. So we won't start a new book since next week is your last week of English. So you'll just have a game focused on all the books we've read. Won't be too hard. It's just to help you remember everything you learned the past months so you can use it in the future. I'll see you guys next week. And don't forget to finish your vocabulary worksheet. And so you'll be matching the English words to Chinese words and then the picture to the English words. Hope you guys are doing well. Goodbye!